All right, let's make some chicken wings. All right, so firstly, I got to cut up the wings because I bought a family pack and it has this piece on it and the drumstick and the flat is connected. So you just find the joint, kind of wiggle around a little bit, and then just cut it. And there you go. And just run through all them. Also, when you're doing these, the flats have this big chunk of fat here on the end. And if it's big, most of the time I cut it off. So you end up with that. Also, you can keep, and I usually do. In fact, I probably will. I'll put these in a small Ziploc bag, freeze them, and that way the next time I have enough, I can make a really good chicken stock for soup or whatever you're using it for. Because you can get good stock out of these little end pieces. All right, so I got these done, ready to go. These are the easiest wings in the world. They're not buffalo wings. These, all they are is just baked. I guess I'll just use it up. Just baked wings. And then I'm going to finish them off with honey and sriracha. So these are the easiest wings there is. As far as baking wings go, anyway. And minimal cleanup, too. Get them good and coated. And I'm just going to put them on a cookie sheet with a one of those metal racks. Let me spray this. This is just canola oil just to make it easier to clean up. I just put the oven on 375. You could put it on 400. I don't really find it makes much of a difference. I might bump it up to 400. And if you leave air space in between the wings when you put them on here, you get air circulating all the way around that they cook better. All right, there is that. Just oil, salt, and pepper, and into the oven it goes. You can make whatever kind of sauce you like. I think honey sriracha is really good. Pretty good lick of sriracha. Let me grab a whisk. All right, here is the wings, but I don't want to set it over here because it's way hot. But they came out nice. Now I'll put them in that. There's the wings. Let me give them a flip. There we go. All right, let's give it a shot. They're excellent. Baked wings are good because they're not greasy. Last minute, slide them underneath the broiler just to crisp up the skin a little bit. And there you go. It's a perfectly good lunch. Give it a try.